Hi Mike, hi Sean. This will be the starting instructions for the Mercedes. It's a bit complicated, but not really. But you just have to look carefully what you do. Here you see two pull switches for the batteries. You turn them so that they go to the inside, and then you have the batteries connected. Then, like on any Wehrmacht dashboard, you push the ignition key and there's a switch on the dash turning on. Make sure it's in neutral. Then here there's the glow switch. You have to turn it until it's in position with the switch next to it. And then you wait about, depending on the weather condition, 30 seconds to 60 seconds until this thing over here gets hot. You feel it when it gets hot. And then we just have to wait. It's getting hotter. Let's see what it does. And then you turn that switch more to the right. Wait a minute. There you go. Then with this cable, you can turn the throttle up or down. There you go. And if you want to turn the engine off, you just simply put the cable back. We're turning this thing and you push this. There you go. And then it goes off. Before you start it again, give it a few rounds that it has. Basically you're adjusting the gas with this, like on the old Mercedes. Then when you're done, you pull this, turn this back, and then if you store it away for a long time, turn these ones, so then you are sure that the batteries are full after long storage. That's it.